Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on OKX Wallet. Whether you are new to crypto or just new to OKX, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process so you can start investing in your favorite cryptocurrencies in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you will need to download the OKX Wallet app if you haven't already. Head over to the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. Simply search for OKX Wallet and hit install. If you are on a browser, go to the official website of OKX. Once installed, open the app. Once you are in the app or in the homepage, if you are new to OKX, you will need to create an account. You can do this by tapping on Sign Up. You can sign up using your email or phone number. So go ahead and fill out the required details. If you already have an account, just tap Login and enter your credentials. OKX will send you a verification code via email or phone, which you will need to enter to complete the login process. OKX follows strict regulations, so to buy crypto, you will need to complete identity verification or KYC. To do this, tap on your profile in the top left corner, go to the verification. You will be asked to upload some form of ID. This could be a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the document is clear and valid. It usually takes just a few minutes to get verified, but it could take longer depending on where you live. Now that your account is set up, it's time to deposit funds. Tap on the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will find a button that says Deposit. You can fund your account with crypto or fiat. If you are new and want to deposit fiat money like USD, EUR, etc., tap on Deposit Fiat. Choose your preferred currency and deposit method. This could be a bank transfer, credit card, or another option available in your country. Once you have chosen, follow the prompts and confirm the transaction. Now that you have funds in your accounts, let's buy some crypto. Go back to the home screen and tap on the Buy Crypto option. On this screen, you'll be able to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin from the list. Next, enter the amount you want to buy. You can either enter the amount in your local currency or in Bitcoin itself. OKX will show you the equivalent amount in both. After entering the amount, select your payment method. You can choose from a variety of options like credit card, Apple Pay, or other available methods. Keep in mind that fees and processing times may vary depending on the payment method you choose. Once you have selected your payment method, OKX will show you a summary of your purchase, including the fees and the exact amount of crypto you will receive. Double check the details and when you are ready, tap Confirm. Depending on your payment method, the crypto should be credited to your OKX wallet almost instantly or within a few minutes. After completing the transaction, go back to the Assets tab to check your crypto balance. Your newly purchased crypto should now be visible in your wallet. And there you have it, folks. That's how easy it is to buy cryptocurrency on OKX Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials like this. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.